Welcome back to MK Tech. In today's video, we will continue to work on the 2012 6.2 liter. And Igor here would want to give us, or gonna give us, a status report. Igor, what do you got going on here right now?
Got a couple things left. Got a throttle body, got a pulley, belt, wires, air filter.
This is what you got left to install, right?
Yeah, that should do it.
Excellent. And everything else out here, your reservoir,
right here, yeah, everything's good.
Everything's installed.
Got the pump, got the tank.
Pump right here.
Yeah, that's the
tank.
And heat exchanger.
Heat exchangers that are on. Looking great. And you got the blower right here.
And the blower's on there. Coils are back in.
Coils, gasoline, fuel, looks like it's installed.
Vacuum lines. Evap stuff's all connected.
Oh, I see. There's the evap right there. You got your fuels right there. Some more vacuum lines. And you got the coolant lines run also, you said, right? Because
yeah,
in the back.
Right here.
Yeah.
There's one line here, and there's another one.
It connects to the back, right?
Yeah. There's two connections that go in the back of the
Wow, so you're almost done, basically.
Yeah, it's close. I just got a little thing left. And we do have the tune.
Oh, you did get a cowl. So as soon as you get this wrapped up, which it looks like you're probably what, like a couple hours out?
Yeah. Oh, I gotta run and get some coolant.
Oh, excellent. So we're definitely getting close. Guys, stay tuned for the startup, and let's go ahead and finish up with Igor here in the installation. Thumbs up. How many of you guys think that Lena should come back to the channel?
You call me a saint, but you know I'm strange.
Okay, so you're saying 2018? Mike, I thought I sent you a...
So you're gonna be back to the channel or what?
But I'm just a singer. I'm busy and pretty, just making believe.
Oh, let me see the inside of that. Look at that.
Like that?
Yeah, that's cool. That is cool. Look at that.
I see something spin. Oh, you can't really see it.
Oh, that is cool.
You see it spin?
No, yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's within the corner.
That's where the magic. That's where the magic happens.
All the magic happens. Okay. Okay, guys, enjoy the rest of the install. And we're really excited to start this thing up and take it for a spin finally. Okay guys, this is where we got today with this project. This is how far we got. We got the airbox, everything assembled. Igor's still working on connecting the final pieces for the air intake. We'll be able to start this truck shortly, more likely in the next video. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing. And any comments, please comment below. See you guys next time. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.